Look, I'm not here to tell you to drink more water, sleep more, exercise more, and be less stressed. You already know that. My intention today is to share with you valuable information that has changed my life and has helped me get my life together. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel like you ain't got your stuff together. It's all right, don't worry. I'm really curious, comment below what is one habit that you wish you could change in your life. It's not to put you on the spot. I just want you to see that you're not the only person that feels like they ain't got their stuff together. I'm super excited and grateful because today's video is sponsored by Estee Lauder. Oh my God, I am fangirling hard. I can't wait to tell you more about their Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, which I'm actually wearing right now. Super beautiful, and I'm gonna be wearing it to my friend's wedding. This is a 24-hour foundation, and I'm gonna be crying a lot. Very excited about that. Step numero uno, get ready for your day. You work better when you smell better. But seriously, getting ready for the day is actually the beginning of self-care. Study shows that you are more productive, efficient, you have more self-confidence, get more stuff done in the day when you first get ready for the day because you feel better, you look better, you do better. For instance, if I stay in bed all day, I will be a lazy potato. I will be slower, I do less, I'm less motivated. So anytime I'm feeling unproductive, the very first thing I do is I work on hygiene, I shower. Secondly, making myself look and feel as presentable as I can. I start doing my hair, putting a little makeup on. Speaking of makeup, girl, oh boy. If you are looking for your next best foundation, it is here. This foundation right here is a 5-star in my book. I am picky. So picky when it comes to foundations, just like loving it. Cannot crease for me. It must stay on all day. I'm very high maintenance when it comes to my level of foundation. And did I mention they have 56 shades? We love a brand that's inclusive, so you are bound to find your true color match. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. They are not lying. I've personally worn this for up to 12 hours. Super lightweight, yet buildable, and it's also considered a 24-hour wear foundation. So if you're a girl boss or productivity queen, you're hustling and still trying to make it look all put together, this is it. It's oil-free, oil controlling. It's also super buildable. I would say it's a medium to high coverage foundation, which is awesome. My friend is getting married tomorrow, and I trust the 24-hour protection in this. Also, it's non-creasing, non-caking, which we can all appreciate. I'm gonna be crying a lot tomorrow, so this is gonna be my foundation. If you're interested in more about this, you can visit esteelauder.com or visit an Estee Lauder counter near you. For more info, feel free to click the link down below. Step number 2, you need easy recipes in your life. Food is fuel. Just like sleeping, eventually if you don't have the right fuel, honey, you will crash. If you don't already have a list, I highly recommend you to go online, research some recipes that kind of spark your interest, that are easy, simple, that's what you need. For me, the biggest distraction in my day is when first I get hungry, number 2, when I have to cook, and then 3, when you have to clean. So if you're interested in easy no-cook recipes, you can also check out this video right over here, which I talk about the recipes that have helped me lose some weight, first of all, and are delicious, they're easy, and they're no-cook. Deal notes. This essentially is a pocket notebook that you take everywhere with you. They are bomb. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, it's small enough to fit in your purse. The purpose of this, number 1, is organization. Instead of jotting down thoughts like on notes, on to-dos, important numbers, just all these random scraps of paper that you will eventually lose, idea is to have a system in play where you always refer to everything in one place. Your field note. Secondly, writing is scientifically proven to help you remember things faster, better, and longer. And this is why I never leave the house anymore without my field note, because I have found that my biggest, grandest, money-making ideas have actually come from me just being relaxed throughout the day and getting like, shower thoughts and then writing them down in my field note. Highly recommend you to get one. Okay, now this one, oh my God. Okay, sorry. So now this one, oh my God. Turn your phone off. Whenever you're working or trying to stay focused, whether that's on a huge project you've been neglecting or someone that you've been neglecting, we're not gonna get into deep issues here. Notifications trigger distraction, without a doubt. You get stressed and too focused on responding back or taking some kind of action that your energy is now no longer on the task that you're supposed to be doing at hand, but instead focus on this notification that's ringing and is distracting you right now, and wow, that is distracting. I didn't know this, but you can actually schedule do not disturb for specific hours in the day and also for specific people, which makes it great, just in case you ever feel like there's an emergency and you're afraid. Your notification, see what I'm saying? Notifications are addicting, man. This alone has fixed my anxiety so much, but also just helped me be so much on my A game. Keep promises to yourself, okay? How many times have you written something on your calendar and then moved it because of somebody else or something, or just you were lazy? I get it, I feel you. I will say it again, keep your promises to yourself. So for instance, anytime you create a goal for yourself and you break it each time, the trust is not there and it makes it harder to have faith in yourself. Tasks become harder. For instance, going to the gym, staying healthy, waking up early, going to bed early, doing the laundry. It's little things that add up eventually. So make sure if you write it down on your calendar, you stick to it and that you set it as a high priority, because honestly, you wouldn't let a friend down, so why would you let yourself down? No Twitter, no mental breakdown. This one is simple and arguable, but for me personally, no Twitter equals like mental breaks. I find the energy and people on Twitter to, yes, they're funny funny sometimes, but for the most part, it's draining. It makes me focus on issues like drama or little things that are happening that I shouldn't be putting my energy into, quite frankly. I would say with any social media app, be cautious of what you're consuming, be cautious of how much time you're spending on the app. You're not creating like this fake reality online versus what your actual life is. I usually find that my anxiety peaks at a high whenever I have been on social media for a long time or on my phone and I haven't given my brain, my eyes, and just like myself a break. In the words of Tom Sachs, always be knowing. So what is knowing? This is a very new term to me, but it has helped me so much. So knowing is pretty much the process of arranging different objects so that they are at a 90-degree angle from each other. They're pretty much like photography pictures, if you will. Knowing creates a look that is very symmetrical, also very pleasing to your eye. This makes it really easy for you whenever your life is too chaotic to, instead of having a little freak out and being like, where do I begin? You just start out by sorting out each product like that. So you could see it all and then you start categorizing like, okay, this is school supplies. These are my notebooks. These are my pens and pencils. And you can pretty much do this with anything, which is awesome. Take 10 minutes every day to tidy up. Not that fun, but listen, a tidy space is a tidy mind. But all you really need is just 10 minutes to organize, pick up, tidy up, and it makes your life just so much better. When it comes to organization, this is a game changer. Are you ready? Putting things back where they belong. Putting things in their place. It's as simple as that. You take off your PJs, you put them in their place right away. Wash dishes, you put it away right away. You take something out of the cabinet, you put it back once you're done. You see what I'm saying there? For instance, for me, it's like washing dishes right away, putting the keys in their designated place so that I don't have to, forget next time. This is the one that I have found that always helps me. If you stay to this golden rule, your place will never be dirty because you will constantly be doing things before the chaos. Learn to say no. Be intentional, don't be busy. That is something that I have found. I used to feel so amazing whenever my agenda was all full, and then I realized this is full for other people's agendas and not for my own. So like, what is the intention here? I know we're getting all so like, but you guys, I'm like this, okay? Does this fulfill my purpose? And is this really what I want to do? Really check yourself when it comes to everything that you're saying yes to, and learn to politely and confidently say no. I just want to let you know that I have a vlog channel. If you haven't checked it out, it is my second channel. I have so much fun on there, and if you ever want to see a little bit of this unfiltered girl outside of this, check out my vlog. I will link it down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already by hitting that little bell as well, girl. You want to get those notifications. Comment below what is one thing that you took away from this video or one thing that you plan on implementing next time. Once again, thank you so much to Estee Lauder for making me look fabulous, and also I love brands that support my channel, and I also love brands that have bomb products.
Once again, thank you to Estee Lauder for sponsoring this video.
Check them out. I will link it down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!